What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing alright during this period, and FLEXIN SG has sent me their products. They have gotten me their car wash set and their body spray. So today I'll be washing my NFR Forte with the car wash set, and their car wash set consists of 5 items: the sprayer, car shampoo, drying towel, wash mittens, and the washing bucket. So right now I'll be filling up water in the sprayer and the washing bucket so that I can start washing my NFR Forte. Today's video is fully sponsored by FLEXIN SG. FLEXIN is a Korean lifestyle branding, and they have all the lifestyle products that suits your day-to-day need. They have all the amazing products from body spray, body wash, men's apparel, and even to a car wash set. Although they doesn't have any physical retail shops in Singapore, but right now they are an official seller in Shopee. So this is a 3-in-1 car wash set which makes your car washing process a lot more easier and quicker just by 3 steps: spray, clean, and wipe. So I'd like to thank FLEXIN SG for sponsoring today's video, and be sure to check them out by clicking their Facebook link, Instagram link, official website link, and their Shopee shop link down below. And right now, let's get back to today's video. Alright guys, so I've mentioned earlier, this is a 3-in-1 car wash set. So first I'm going to spray the whole entire car with this car shampoo, and followed by using a wet wash mittens to clean the whole entire car to make sure all the dust and dirt has been removed from the surface of the car, and then followed by using a dry towel to wipe dry the whole entire car, and the car washing process is done. The sprayer that came along with the car wash set has a capacity of 2 liters, so with an amount of 1.5 liter of water, you just only require 7.5 ml of car wash shampoo, and the ratio between the car wash shampoo and the water is about 1:200. So this is a 500 ml car wash shampoo, which allows me to use it 66 times, which means I'm able to wash my car 66 times by using this car wash set. So right now I'm going to mix the car wash shampoo together with the water in the sprayer. Alright guys, so I have diluted the car wash shampoo with the water in the sprayer, and one thing that I really like about this sprayer is there's an indicator at the side, so I will know how much car shampoo left in the sprayer. And second, I'm able to change the spray pattern by adjusting this nozzle. So in order to have a wide spray pattern, I'll need to turn this clockwise, and in order to have a straight spray pattern, I'll need to turn this anti-clockwise. So when you're spraying your car, you are required to activate the spray lever. So there's a locking mechanism which allows the spray lever to be locked in place. So this will make the spraying work a lot more easier. When the car shampoo is being sprayed onto the car shampoo will dry out pretty fast, so it's best to clean your car section by section because the most dirtiest part is the bottom of the car, so it's recommended to clean the top of the car and followed by the bottom of the car. As you guys know, Singapore is very hot and humid, so every time after washing my NFR Forte, I'll be hot and sweaty. So today, before I'm going to wash my NFR Forte, I'll be using this Flexin body fragrance spray to spray my body to keep myself fresh and smells great. Alright guys, so I sprayed the diluted car shampoo onto my bonnet, roof and boot of my car. So right now I'll be soaking these wash mittens into water so that I can start washing my car. Alright guys, so I've cleaned the car with the wash mittens, and wash mittens has caught all the dirt on the car. So right now I'll be using the drying towel to wipe dry the whole entire car. Alright guys, so I've done washing my NFR Forte and now my NFR Forte looks absolutely clean. Flexin has an amazing car wash product which saved me the time and effort for washing my car, so right now I'll be heading out to do some shoots for my NFR Forte. Alright guys, right now under the sunlight, my NFR Forte looks really shiny because of the Flexin Car Wash Shampoo. So one thing that's great about this Flexin Car Wash Set is first to save you a lot of water. You just require a little amount of water without having buckets of water to wash your car. Second, it saved me the time, effort and hassles of finding and driving my car to the car washing bay. As you guys know, sometimes the car washing bay will be fully occupied with cars. So right now with this Flexin Car Wash Set, I'm able to wash my car in my own parking lot anytime, anywhere. And third, after washing the car shampoo leaves a layer of wax coating on the surface of the car, which will greatly protect the paintwork against UV ray from the sun and also contamination like road dust, tree sap, bird poo, rainwater, especially when you always park your vehicle, be it a motorcycle or a car in the open space car park area where it's being exposed to all this contamination. Also, with the wax coating on the surface of the car, it creates a hydrophobic effect and all the dirt and contamination on the car can be easily washed off just by using water itself. So one thing I really like about this car wash set is it's small and compact, and I'm able to use this wash bucket as a storage box to keep the wash mittens, drying towel, sprayer and the car shampoo in place in my car boot. Because it's small and compact and it doesn't take up too much space in my car boot. So this wash bucket can also be used as a step-up stand to help you to reach those high spot area like the roof of the SUV. So I would say this is a multi-purpose car wash set. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And once again, I'd like to thank Flexin Energy for sponsoring today's video, and they have made my NFR Forte looks great again with their car wash set. And I'm sure I'm going to wash my R6 with their car wash set. So guys, please feel free to check them out by clicking their link down below. They have all the amazing products for your daily lifestyle. And also do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, drive safe, ride safe, and bye!
La 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 la.